Approximately 30% of all tank fires and explosions are caused by lightning. Floating roof tanks are particularly vulnerable to lightning because of the isolated roof. A direct strike or even a nearby one will cause a difference in electric potential between the floating roof and the tank shell. That difference can lead to electrical arcing and is a source of ignition. How can you prevent this? Introducing Lightning Master's Movable Arm Grounding System, or MAGS. MAGS is a patented bypass conductor system for floating roof tanks. It is more reliable than real-type solutions offered by other manufacturers. Bare cables from real-type bypass conductors sway in the wind, and hydrogen sulfide weakens the material, leading to mechanical fatigue and tearing of the cable material. When the cable fails, the internal spring mechanism may also fail. It is impossible to prevent cable failure, so you have to monitor and replace components regularly. However, MAGS is designed to eliminate these design flaws, using an insulated cable and a rigid conduit to avoid mechanical failure. With a fixed, hinged bracket and insulated copper cable enclosed in conduit. The design protects the cable from corrosion, limits the bend radius, and provides support from the effects of wind, thus eliminating mechanical fatigue. With real-type bypass conductors, you have multiple electromechanical connections, and some depend on sliding surface contact. The rotating hub relies on minimal surface area and uses relatively high-resistance steel material. These connections often have small cross-sectional areas that create choke points in the electrical flow. With real-type systems, over time, the cable-to-cable surface contact can become obstructed from residue buildup and oxidation. Of the system in the operating environment can be much higher than the published cable resistance value alone. Additionally, some manufacturers use aluminum alloy cables which have 3 to 5 times more resistance than the MAGS copper cable. Real-type systems have several design flaws, including mechanical failure, electrical choke points, electrical resistance, and cable corrosion. Real-type systems have no life cycle testing. MAGS provides a better path for electrical current flow by utilizing a continuous insulated copper material cable, minimized mechanical connections, and best of all, no moving connections. This ensures a low-resistance connection with no electrical choke points is maintained. MAGS is life cycle tested in excess of 2 million cycles to ensure long-term use in the operating environment. Furthermore, when the tank is full and at the highest risk, the MAGS is at its best and forms a bifilar winding so that the electrical current is flowing in parallel but opposite paths. The resulting magnetic fields cancel each other out and reduce system impedance. With real-type products, you have no life cycle testing and a less than 30-year product life with only a 1-year warranty. MAGS has been thoroughly wind tested in excess of 2 million cycles without wear or failure. It comes with a more than 30-year product life and a 2-year warranty. MAGS is a simple, reliable, gravity-powered system that is easy to install, has a worldwide base of trouble-free installations, and exceeds the requirements of the American Petroleum Institute and the National Fire Protection Association. So take the spark out of the fire with a movable arm grounding system by Lightning Master. We wrote the book on static solutions and lightning protection. Give us a call today at 800-749-6800.